Deceleration jerking occurs when your car jerks or shudders while slowing down. This common problem can stem from various mechanical and electronic issues that we need to identify systematically. Deceleration jerking typically falls into three main categories: transmission problems, engine related issues, and drivetrain component wear. Each category has specific symptoms and diagnostic approaches. Transmission problems are the most common cause of deceleration jerking. A faulty torque converter fails to properly manage power transfer, while degraded transmission fluid affects smooth gear transitions. Electronic solenoids controlling gear shifts can also malfunction. Engine-related causes include clogged fuel injectors that disrupt fuel delivery, malfunctioning mass airflow sensors that affect the air-fuel mixture, dirty air filters restricting airflow, and ignition system faults causing misfiring during deceleration. Drivetrain wear includes worn CV joints that create jerking, especially during turns while decelerating, failed engine or transmission mounts allowing excessive movement, and damaged drive shafts causing vibration and jerking. Start diagnostics by scanning for OBD2 error codes using a diagnostic scanner. These codes provide valuable clues about which systems may be malfunctioning and causing the jerking behavior. Next, inspect your transmission fluid level and condition. The fluid should be at the proper level between minimum and maximum marks, have a clean red color rather than brown or black, and should not have a burnt smell. Finally, conduct controlled road testing to observe exactly when and how the jerking occurs. Note the specific conditions, speeds, and patterns of the jerking behavior to help narrow down the root cause. These initial diagnostic steps help identify the general category of the problem and provide a foundation for more specific diagnostic procedures that can pinpoint the exact cause of your deceleration jerking issue. When initial checks don't reveal the problem, advanced diagnostic tools become essential. Modern diagnostic equipment uses sophisticated technology to analyze deceleration patterns and pinpoint root causes with remarkable accuracy. Professional diagnostic systems like the Snap-on Zeus provide comprehensive analysis capabilities. These tools can access multiple vehicle systems simultaneously and provide detailed component testing results. For transmission-related jerking, several solutions are available. Transmission fluid service addresses contamination issues, while solenoid malfunctions require targeted component replacement. Modern transmissions rely heavily on electronic control systems. Engine-related jerking often stems from fuel system problems. High-pressure fuel systems require precise pressure regulation and clean fuel delivery. Contaminated injectors or failing fuel pumps create inconsistent power delivery during deceleration. Ignition system problems also cause deceleration jerking. Worn spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, or timing issues create misfiring that becomes more noticeable during deceleration when engine load changes rapidly. Software updates are increasingly important for resolving deceleration jerking in modern vehicles. CVT transmissions and regenerative braking systems often require calibration updates rather than hardware replacement. Repair costs have increased significantly due to the complexity of modern systems. However, preventive maintenance remains the most cost-effective approach. Every $100 spent on preventive maintenance can save up to $400 in major repairs.